Merry Christmas Eve, everybody.
Woo!
We love you guys. Merry Christmas Eve. Hope
Merry
you're
Christmas
having
Eve.
the best, or had the best Christmas whenever you're watching this, because it's probably be posted at some point around Christmas, but it is Christmas Eve for us. I literally woke up at 7:30 this morning, which is so annoying, but it is now at 9:04 a.m. We are heading to get some Christmas Starbucks. We have to show you the fits though, because like, iconic. We are wearing our Christmas pajamas that we got. You probably saw it in our last video. And then Christmas Crocs. I'll show you guys up close. I actually got to work with Crocs, if you saw my YouTube shorts and on Instagram. And so we both have adorable little Crocs. I have brown ones actually to match well too. I forgot I have my brown ones. Should I wear my brown ones?
No, let's go.
I have my, hey! I have my white ones on right now. We are ready to go. We've got so much cleaning we have to do today. So we're gonna go get some caffeine. And
Annabelle's gonna do lots of cleaning today.
Well,
because she
you're gonna
feels like
help
she
me.
needs to.
You're gonna help me. We're having people over tonight. We're hosting. We have church today. We got so many things. Bright, sunny day. Being blinded. Do you guys see that? Will doesn't know where Starbucks is, which is surprising. Only because I take us all the time. I'll tell you where it is, babe. All right, so the tea is we just got our drinks. They're out of quite a few festive holiday things because that's what happens. But let me just do a taste test. Hold on. Mine's good. I ended up getting a grande white toasted white mocha with half the pumps and oat milk. And what did you get? Because you had to change up a little bit.
Well, so
too.
I was going to go for a peppermint hot chocolate.
Yes.
But
Will doesn't do coffee or tea.
Because I don't do tea or coffee. But this is a hot chocolate, and then they had this praline chestnut syrup. So I had a praline chestnut hot chocolate. It's
is
great.
it good?
Yeah,
Did it make
great.
it like more like what? Like is it like nutty or like what is it?
Yeah, you know, like a praline.
Not really. I never get that drink.
Like a truffle.
That's
type
one of my
vibe.
friends. They're like the chestnut praline is like their favorite drink that they do. But yeah,
It's really nice.
these are really good. Everybody in there was so nice. The vibes were just good. It was good vibes.
Good vibes all around.
Starbucks always. Everyone's always so nice. But I know the holidays can be hard when you're working. So, but it was great. You guys, we literally just got back from getting coffee. Will is making us like an egg and toast, but I'm gonna begin the tidying / cleaning process. I think I said we are having my parents over in a little bit later today after church. Then in the evening, our like besties are coming over for dinner. We're hosting a little Christmas Eve thing for us four. I got church to go to today, gotta get ready. Well, just the whole thing, but a clean house is everything. So I'm gonna begin tidying, and we just gotta vacuum, clean the bathroom. It's nothing, you know, too crazy. So we're gonna get into that. Yummy! Been making some good progress on the tidying and cleaning. Will did some, and then he actually just edited our vlog from yesterday, so make sure you check that out because we had Christmas Eve Christmas date. But I'm just admiring the tree currently. There's one sad thing about when Christmas is over, all that stuff has to come down, but I'm about to tidy up my bedroom. So I have like a bunch of shoes and clothes out and stuff, so all this needs to get put away, and I've got some laundry in there, but I also need to pack a suitcase because we are going and staying at my parents' tomorrow night. So we're gonna go for like a big meal in the afternoon, and we're probably gonna stay for a couple nights at my parents' house, so I'm gonna pack for that too, so that tomorrow on Christmas Day I don't have to like worry about all of that. I can kind of just like, we can get up and go whenever we want and not have to stress, so I'm gonna work on that. I just show you guys. I was gonna show you some of my other vlog, and then I forgot but I got some of these ornaments from Walmart and I emptied them out because they had a little snow scene in them, because this has become such a popular trend to do like cocktails in these that they're hard to find. Anyway, so got those from Walmart, made do, rinsed them out. They're all clean on the inside and they're frosted on the bottom as I showed you, which is actually really cute. And so I have that just out because I'm going to make cocktails later for our friends. Put out some glass straws, just because I didn't want to forget that I was going to do this. And these are left over from the ornaments, so I might use them on the glasses as well. And then I had to show you these little vintage cheese, like cheese board knives. I might use these tomorrow at my parents' house, but if there's a reason for them today, I took them out just while I'm setting everything up because they're so cute. My parents are coming to church with us tonight, which I think I said. And my mom is bringing me like red dishes because she had like a plates and bowl set. So that would be really fun. I was like, you know what? Might as well bring them since we're having a festive dinner with our friends tonight. And I also think she's bringing us like some floral things. I don't know. My mom's a florist and creative design, amazing person. She was like, do you want some floral arrangements? I'm not sure what she's doing, but she's going to be bringing us stuff later. So that will be really fun. So the rest of the table is going to get set up probably later, but that's where we're at right now. I've almost finished packing. I need to just finish putting away some laundry. Will's finishing cooking our baked ziti. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. Will's just making the baked ziti now because you can make it in advance and then like rebake it with cheese and like basil on the top and everything close to the time. We wanted to do something like really simple for dinner because Will's like the chef of the house, but I didn't want him like spending all of Christmas Eve like cooking, and like if our friends were over, my parents are coming over for like a drink, like I just wanted us to be as present as possible. So we're like, let's pick a really easy meal. And so we're doing that. Our friends Hannah and Simon are bringing dessert and starters, so I think we're doing like a baked brie or camembert or something with crackers. And then for dessert, I think we're doing like ice cream. I don't know. We'll see. You'll have to stay tuned. There's like a whole plan. We're making mulled wine. I'm making a little cranberry ginger cocktail. It's going to be a great evening. So I need to get ready soon for church just because I'd rather have lots of time. I'll probably go live on TikTok. You know, all the drills. That's what's going on right now. Let me see.
Look at these.
Oh my goodness. That looks good.
There's so much cheese.
It's gonna be so effortless.
No, not necessarily.
Really?
Yeah.
Count memories, not calories.
Look at that.
Looks so good. Okay, so I just did my makeup. I wanted to show you guys. I was on live on TikTok. I go live on TikTok for Get Readies with me, usually on the weekend. So definitely watch those if you haven't, because those are fun. But we just did makeup and I'm gonna go back on live and we're gonna do my hair. But for the makeup, I just did something really simple, some glitter on the inside of the corner. This is Kit and Karma by Stila. And wanted to keep it pretty simple, do like really beautiful skin, like highlight, and we're gonna do like a 90s twisted sleek bun now. So I'm gonna do a whole tutorial for that on my TikTok. I'm gonna go live and then I'll give you some behind the scenes of all that filming because it's kind of a lot of filming. But we need to get dressed and I'll show you what I'm gonna wear, because since my hair is going to be like a sleek bun and my shirt's a turtleneck, I need to put my shirt on first. Otherwise, I could totally mess up all the effort I put in for my hair. So I'm wearing this like bodysuit. It's this like kind of lacy see-through top, and I'm going to wear like a little tank thing underneath that. And then I'm wearing these matching leggings with the same kind of see-through lace material. I'm going to wear tights under them again so that it's not like completely see-through, because I am going to church. This is like kind of an intense outfit for church, but we have plans after, so like I just have to be ready and dressed and good to go. So that's what's happening. But I'm gonna put the top on because again I'm doing my hair, so like the top needs to be on. Right, we are ready to go. It's been a bit chaotic. This is my look because we gotta go quick.
This is the look.
This is literally from Amazon. And I'm gonna put a jacket on, but I also want to show you guys the hair. Twisted 90s bun.
Oh, nice.
It's very glam for church, but like I said, we got plans after. So we're gonna go, we're rushing. Throw my purse.
Looking great, babe. Right.
Let's go. Hannah and Simon have arrived. Simon is out on the balcony. Here she is. Hi. Beautiful Christmas Queen, what are you making right now? You're gonna tell them.
Okay, we're making a, what's the proper way to pronounce this, Will?
Camembert.
Camembert?
She's in there.
Camembert.
Yeah. Okay, sorry, still saying it
Oh,
wrong.
you got 2?
Yeah.
Yes.
We're shoving it in this dish.
Yeah,
and
that's
so
what we got, yeah.
once Will's finished adjusting my garlic.
Because Hannah already cut it all, but...
Yeah, but it was kind of too thick.
Okay.
So rude. So I'm gonna put the garlic in little slivers of the cheese, add hot honey and then thyme, and then it's gonna be just,
It's gonna be so good.
Alright, girlfriend, here we go.
So we're starting off with that, and then I just made these little drinks, although it didn't require very much effort. It was a cranberry ginger sparkling drinks from Trader Joe's with Tito's, vodka, cranberries, and we put them in these little like ornaments. So we're gonna enjoy these, I think, as well. This is my mom, and I wanted to say she made all the florals I was showing you guys on the table over there and everything. So we went to church together and just been hanging out. So, right. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Okay.
Cheers.
cheers!
Alright, try them. It's not, what do you think?
Oh, that's so good.
Gingery?
It is gingery. It's nice.
Yeah, that's really good.
It's gingery. This looks absolutely insane. Oh. Cheers!
Cheers! Round
Our
2,
beautiful
baby.
drinks. Yay! Are you happy with how this looks, Will?
Yes.
Yum. It looks so freaking good. We have an extra one. Oh my gosh. Will prepared dinner earlier today, as you guys saw. And it is absolutely beautiful.
Thanks, babe.
So good.
And delicious.
How I haven't tried it yet. Is it good? Okay, good. Lava cake and gingerbread ice cream.
That's where we're at.
Oh my gosh, that ice cream's so
And
good,
then it's up
Hannah.
to the individual couple how they handle
I'm like
the
shocked
funds.
how good.
Oh my gosh, why am I just not trying this?
So I get a great.
Mulled wine. So good. Alright, we made mulled wine. These are some like vintage glassware that my mom brought over earlier today.
Oh,
Scooping that in. We love mulled wine. It's so, so good. Oh my goodness. Alright, you guys, it's been a minute. We're about to go to bed. It's so late. I think it's almost 1 a.m. We had the best night. So much fun. That's really all I have to say. We had the best night. Did you have a good night?
Great night.
I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with everything we got going on. I cannot believe it's literally Christmas. Merry Christmas wherever you're watching this. Happy holidays. I hope you have the best Christmas season, that you're healthy, safe, and full of joy. I love you guys, and I'm just so thankful that baby Jesus was born to save me. So that's really all I'm feeling right now. But we're gonna go to bed because I'm so tired. And tomorrow's Christmas Day. So I love y'all. Bye.